It's an old story. When Lambu and Tingu was staying in one village. As usual, Lambu was very muscular and strong, and Tingu was so intelligent. They were good friends to each other and used to help each other in everything. But there was something which was disturbing Tingu all the time. What was that tension? Let's see. Lambu and Tingu was sitting near the tree.
Hey, what happened? You look very tensed.
I don't know what I should do now. Whatever I had in hand, I've lost that too. How will I manage things now?
Why are you so worried? You are so fit. You can do farming very easily.
Oh yes, this thing never occurred to me. But Tingu,
What happened, brother? Why are you looking so sad now?
where do I have the fields for tilling the fields?
Then buy a land to farm.
But where do I have the money to buy the fields, Tingu?
Sorry, my brother. I don't have much money to help, but you can take the money I have. Rest, you can ask from the money lender.
Oh, thanks a lot, Tingu. I hope everyone gets a friend just like you.
But remember, we have water problem in our village. So, buy the land only where a well is nearby.
I'll go and speak to the village authority.
Lambu went to landowner from there. Lambu was upset. So the landowner cautioned him.
What happened? Why are you so sad? Anything wrong with you?
No, sir. It's a very small thing. Actually, I have some money. Out of that money, I want to buy a piece of land so that I can till the field, earn a living for myself.
I know you are a very hard-working Mr. Lambu. Why do you need money all of a sudden?
Instead of working for somebody else, I thought it's better that I have my own land and do some farming. So that is why I came to ask help from you.
I have a vacant land right now. Nobody is farming on that.
But I also need a well on that land.
What a coincidence. There is no one farming on that land.
But what about the rest of the money?
Do one thing. You can start farming on that land. Once you start earning, you can give it back.
Oh yes, that can be done. Please give me a good piece of land. Give me a fertile land and I shall do some farming and tilling there.
Lambu was very happy to get a work in farm. The landowner was cunning. He knew that Lambu is quite innocent. But he have a strong body. So he is making fun of him.
I have easily fooled him.
Lambu prayed to the earth and started working in the farm. He grown the seeds. He used to get water from the well. At that time, the owner of the farm came and said,
Look, Lambu, land is yours, well is also yours, but the water of this well doesn't belong to you.
How is that? If the well is mine, then the water of the well is also mine.
You said you wanted a well, right? So I gave you one. We did not say anything about the water of it.
But the well always has water inside it.
Look, Lambu, it can't happen. Either you agree with this, otherwise leave.
Lambu mother was calling him for help. Oh my God, help me! Lambu, my child, come here. I fell down. Help me.
Oh mother, how can you just fall like that?
Lambu was shocked to see his mother fell down. He ignores the owner of the farm and ran away towards his mother. He picked his mother in his arm and went to the hospital. His mother was collapsed.
Auntie, operation of your legs was very successful. You will be able to walk again in a few days.
But all of a sudden, how did my mother fall down? And she also fainted for a while.
As you age, knees lose their strength. It's normal for her age. You have to take care of her more now, okay?
Doctor said this and went away from there. But Lambu's mother was really upset. She said, Forgive me, my child. I know you have to take lots of trouble for me. Lambu felt so bad for that. He hid his emotions and said to Mom,
Now, these kind of things don't warn before they happen. No problem at all. I shall make some arrangement for the money. Just don't worry, Mom.
Lambu was really financially needy at that time. So he went to farm owner's house and said to
All
him
right.
that
I shall get water from a well which is 2 kilometers away from the village and do my farming.
Yes, you are on the right track.
Lambu agreed all his rules. But of course, you need water for the growth of the plant. So he started getting worried for that. So when Lambu used to go to the well for the water, the owner of the farmer used to shout on him.
Hey, what are you doing? I said you can't take the water from this well. Didn't I? Go back. Go back. Go back. Go back.
What do you mean? Just let me take the water out only once. All the seeds are drying up.
By the way, you haven't returned the money back. When are you going to return it?
You don't let me use the water of the well, then how will there be any farming? And if I don't do any farming, then how will I earn some money?
I don't know anything about that. I want my money back. Otherwise, leave. Leave this place.
Lambu got frustrated of it. He used to travel out of the village to get water for the plants. He used to get up early in the morning to collect the water for the plants. And this is how he was taking care of the farm. Once on the way, he met Tingu.
Hey, Lambu, where are you going with that big pot? Huh?
What do I tell you, Tingu? The landlord says that the well is yours, but the water inside the well is not yours.
How is this possible? If the well is yours, then water of it should also be yours.
But he is just not agreeing to that. He said that if you agree to me, then it's alright. Otherwise, you can go from here. And you know that my mother's not well. I have to do something or the other.
Tingu gave him a nice idea in his excitement and said,
Idea! I will come at your land today and then I will talk to him.
But what can you do, my friend? He is very stubborn. He doesn't listen to anybody.
Oh, believe me, my friend. Don't be so upset now.
All right.
Tingu got to know that owner of the farm is making something fishy. So Tingu went there in the evening and said to owner of the farm,
Why don't you let him take water from the well? I gave him the well, but the water belongs to me. And why should I allow him? Okay, if the well belongs to Lambu, then you can't keep your water in it. You have to take the water out. Otherwise, you have to pay to Lambu to keep the water in this well.
Owner of the farm got confused on Tingu's statement and he said,
No. How is this possible? Water comes out from the well. No matter how much I try, I won't be able to take it out. Now you guys are confusing me. Didn't you confuse Lambu the same way? If the water belongs to Lambu, then the water also belongs to him. See, either pay him to keep your water in the well or let him use the water.
Owner of the farm realized now no more nonsense. So he admitted his mistake and said sorry.
Forgive me. I won't bother anyone again. And please don't tell anyone, please. I lose respect in the village. And Lambu, you also start using your brain with the hard work.
So because of Tingu, Lambu got water for his farm. And he did his farming. He earned lots of money and gave his mother a nice treatment also. And returns Tingu's money back too.